Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you secret phone settings that you should try in Android phone. So for that, at first just go to your phone settings. So the first one is to unlock the developer options. To unlock the developer options, just go to your about phone, and here you can see the phone version MIUI. Just click on it 5 times. And after clicking, you will become a developer. And for now, just go to your developer options, search in the top search bar developer options. Now in developer options, you can use your phone in advanced level that you can't before. There are so many options here that you can try. Now the second option is you need to go to your password and security and scroll. Now here you can see emergency SOS. Just click on it. You can just turn it on, and after turning it on, you can rapidly press the power button 5 times and it will send a SOS text message within your location to your emergency contacts. We often neglect this service. It can be very helpful in emergency needs. So just turn this on and click on allow. Now you can just add your SOS to emergency contact, any contact that you want. So guys, that's the secret trick for Android. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.